If you want juicy turkey with little to no effort at all, this is the video for you. Welcome back to Lone Star Grills. Today, we're firing up El Patron for a rotisserie turkey. This is a super simple recipe, just a quick prep and then let El Patron handle the rest, and the results are going to amaze you. Prep for this is incredibly easy. Simply unpackage, remove anything from the cavity, rinse, and then remove any excess skin from the outside. Pat with paper towels to remove as much moisture from the outside as possible. Coat well with olive oil, then hit it up generously with our LSG Texas Fusion. We're also adding a little dusting of some sage, thyme, and rosemary, because birds love herbs. Repeat that process on both sides, then truss your wings and legs with some butcher's twine. This will help keep the bird together and hold nice shape throughout the cook. Get this bird on the rotisserie rod as close to the center as possible. Now let's get our fireboard pulse placed in the breast of the bird to monitor temperatures. Insert the rotisserie hooks nice and snug on both ends, tighten them down, and just let it hang out for a bit while we get El Patron all set up for today's cook. One of El Patron's many skills is the rotisserie. We're starting with a bed of lump coal on our adjustable charcoal grate, and you can optionally add a couple chunks of wood here if you like. Our target cook temperature for today is right around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and for best results, run all those vents wide open, simply add coal and adjust that charcoal grate height as needed to maintain temperature. With our temperatures locked in, it's time to get this rotisserie in place. Get it secured on both sides, close the lid, and begin cooking. At our 300 degree cook temperature, this cook will take about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. However, there are variables, so always cook to temperature and not time. And for best results, you'll want to remove this bird as soon as it breaks a temperature of 160 degrees and the deepest, coolest part of the breast. And make sure at that time that your dark meat is at least in the 170s. Then remove it and rest it for about 30 to 45 minutes under foil. Now you can slice it up and enjoy what everyone else will think was some hard work. This is as simple as it gets, and these results speak for themselves. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you've got questions on El Patron or any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below.